A chicken farmer took a walk out on his farm one day. He paused by the coop as he went along his way, and all at once a rotten egg hit him in the eye. It was a sight he dreaded. Ghost chickens in the sky. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Ghost chickens in the sky. He'd been a chicken farmer since he was 24, working for the colonel for 30 years or more, killing all them chickens and sending them to fry. And now they want revenge. Those chickens in the sky. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Those chickens in the sky. Their beaks were black and shiny, their eyes blazing red. They didn't have no feathers, the chickens all were dead. They picked that farmer up, then he died by the claw. They cooked him extra crispy and served him with coleslaw. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Those chickens in the sky. Ghost chickens in the sky.